Managing a mobile workforce can be one of the most complex parts of running a service oriented business. Whether you're coordinating technicians across states or juggling multiple job requests at once, maintaining visibility and control is key. That's where Field Nation steps in, a digital platform built to streamline every aspect of field service delivery. Field Nation connects businesses with a nationwide network of skilled, independent contractors for on demand service work. Whether you're in retail, telecom, IT support, or any field service industry, it helps you scale your workforce, manage job logistics, and ensure quality all from a single platform. In this video, we'll walk through how Field Nation simplifies field service management, break down its powerful features and benefits, and explain why it's a top tier platform for organizations aiming to improve service delivery and reduce operational overhead. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its work order management. With Field Nation, you can easily create, customize, and assign work orders using a user friendly interface. Add detailed scopes, required skills, job instructions, and time windows to ensure technicians are fully prepared before arriving on site. This boosts efficiency and minimizes errors by ensuring every job starts with clarity and complete information. Another key feature is the access to a nationwide technician network. Field Nation gives you access to over 100,000 pre vetted service professionals across the US and Canada. You can filter candidates by certification, experience, industry specialization, and customer ratings. This saves time and increases reliability by quickly matching the right technician to the right job, anywhere you need them. Another key feature is the real time communication and live updates. Through the Field Nation platform or mobile app, you can message technicians, get check in slash check out notifications, and receive real time updates as the job progresses. This keeps everyone on the same page and reduces delays or misunderstandings that can impact service quality. Another key feature is the automated documentation and payment processing. Once a job is marked complete, you'll receive documentation like photos, checklists, and client signatures for instant approval. Payments are then handled securely through the platform. This accelerates back office tasks and improves technician satisfaction with fast, automated payment processing. Another key feature is the seamless workflow integration. Field Nation's robust API and integration capabilities allow you to connect the platform with CRMs, ticketing systems, and project management tools. This ensures that your job data flows effortlessly across systems. This eliminates manual data entry and enhances your tech stack for a more efficient field service operation. Another key feature is the quality control with ratings and reviews. After each job, businesses can leave ratings and feedback for technicians, helping maintain quality control and accountability across the board. This encourages professionalism, improves service outcomes, and helps businesses build a trusted contractor network over time. So, why is Nation a great choice? Field Nation is more than just a marketplace. It's a complete service operations platform. It empowers businesses to rapidly scale their field service capacity without sacrificing quality or increasing administrative burden. By offering a unified solution for sourcing, communication, scheduling, documentation, and payment, it replaces multiple tools and manual processes with one seamless experience. What makes Field Nation truly stand out is its flexibility. Whether you're completing a one time install in a rural location or coordinating multi site maintenance across the country, Field Nation adapts to your business size and scope. It's particularly valuable for companies that want to maintain a lean in house team but still need reliable service coverage in a wide area. Additionally, the user friendly interface, mobile capabilities, and automated workflows make it accessible even for teams new to using field service software, giving you fast results without a steep learning curve. So basically, if you're looking to modernize and simplify how you manage field service operations, Field Nation offers everything you need in one place. From easily finding the right technician to automating approvals and analyzing performance. It's built to support businesses that thrive on timely, consistent service delivery. So, whether you're an enterprise scaling fast or a small business needing on demand help, Field Nation helps you deliver better outcomes while cutting down on operational friction. With its flexible model and robust toolset, it's an excellent investment for the future of your service business. So start exploring Field Nation today and take control of your workforce, your jobs, and your bottom line. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.